I remember you. Today we're gonna talk about some of my favorite things in Thailand instead of, you know, sounding like just a bunch of negativity lately. Let's hit some positives. Let's walk, let's talk. Standard backdrop for today's video. We're talking about my 5 favorite things in Thailand compared to the United States, which is, you know, really my only point of reference. Number 1, this one's pretty obvious. It's cheap. Everything is cheaper than the United States, almost exclusively. Food, housing, day-to-day, beer, whatever, services, whatever you can think of, it's cheaper here. I have yet to find something that's more expensive than in the United States, unless it's something imported from the United States. That's obvious. Number 2, and this just goes to show that these numbers really have no point of reference for what's more important or what I like more. This might be my favorite thing. The car and motorcycle culture here, just motorsports in general. If it has an engine, Thais will race it. If it has an engine, Thais will modify it. If it's slow, if it's fast, it does not matter. Everybody here is very individualistic, that took enough tries, with their rides. Everywhere you look, everything's custom, everything's got wheels, everything's got a cool paint job. Even the stickers, the bumper stickers and stuff that they throw on the cars are just way cooler. United States, almost every car looks exactly the same. Everybody's got a white Corolla. It's just pretty boring. Here, everything. Everybody's got a bike. You see girls riding bikes, old ladies riding bikes, old men riding bikes. Everybody rides everything. They will race anything. Probably my favorite thing about Thailand so far. Number 3, everybody for the most part has been very friendly, and the service is outstanding in Thailand. Any restaurants, laundromats, anything like that, anywhere where somebody's gonna be taking care of you, everybody is very nice and very accommodating. The service I've had in restaurants and bars here is amazing. United States, not so much. A lot of the United States workers are underpaid, so they don't want to be there, which I understand. Trust me, I was one of those guys for a long time. See, bike culture. Can't talk without a motorcycle ripping past you. I get it, but at the same time, you are there to provide a service, so just do your best, you know? The service in Thailand is amazing almost everywhere you go. Number 4, this is another one everybody talks about, but you can't really understand it till you get here, is the food. And I'm not talking only Thai food. Everything I've had here has been better than what I've had in the United States. I've gotten cheeseburgers here that have been some of the best cheeseburgers I've ever had in my life. Obviously the Thai food is amazing. The street food is super cheap. It's easy to find everywhere, no matter when you're hungry. There's always somebody across the street. Just sitting right here, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different street vendors just right here on the street. So the food is super cheap. Food from all over the world, because there's so many travelers here. Some of the best Japanese food I've ever had has been here. Number 5, and this is a huge one for me, especially coming from the United States. A lot of the times in the United States, you can feel like you're being you know, not accepted or judged for silly things, what you like to do for fun, or, you know, how you like to, you know, relax in your free time. Thailand, no. There is something for everyone. No matter what you want, if you've got the money, you can have it in Thailand. You can do whatever you want, whenever you want, and as long as you're not being a dick or bothering other people, nobody really cares. Most of the laws here are just in place to kind of keep people in check, but 99% of the time, as long as you're just doing your own thing and not imposing on anybody else, nobody cares. If you're a boy but you want to be a girl, nobody cares. It's actually really embraced here, which is a huge one. Even though the United States says, you know, we're so open about all that stuff, we all know there's still a lot of judgment. Here, nobody cares. No matter what you want to do, there's something here for everybody. Thailand is a beautiful place and it's very accepting because there are people here from all over the world. So it's super easy to just do whatever you want. Be respectful and just pay your bill. That's it. I hope I did a little better job with this video to shed some, you know, positive light on Thailand. I didn't realize until looking at my channel the other day that it seemed like I was just talking about everything bad about Thailand, and there's much more good than there is bad. There are things that I do miss from the United States, but it's all about trade-off. Nowhere is perfect, but the things that I do like here far outweigh the things that I do like in the United States. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a subscribe if you'd like to see more content from Thailand. If you'd like to support the channel, please consider going down and subscribing to the Patreon. I throw just some random B-roll stuff on there, pictures and stuff from my day-to-day, just, you know, random kind of behind-the-scenes stuff. Thank you guys so much for the support. Every single video keeps doing better than the one before. I love it here. I, you know, gained some more knowledge and things that I like every single day. So if you'd like to follow the journey, stay connected. And as always, I love you. Bye.